What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go check out Cosmo World as well as some cool ASMR sites of Minato Mirai. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. Alright, right behind me is the Yokohama Minato Mirai Cosmo World. Let's go ahead and check out what they have. Cosmo World and the Cosmo Clock, as well as the diving vanishing coaster. This is like a theme park. It's been around since forever that I know of. There's a directory, shows you what it has. A North Pole Ocean Swinger. This is the other side where I was talking about. We went here earlier this morning. Yeah, we went through there earlier this morning. This is what they have here. There's also a cool like spinning coaster. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. I know this is like a playground carnival stuff where you could throw balls and all that other stuff. But this is Cosmo World, Cosmo Clock. Downtown. It's a cool arcade, like carnival style. You can see all the toys that they have. This one, you try to throw the ball and it's supposed to go into a color and then you get a cool prize. Basketball here. They have all this. And more. Look at that. I think this is a vending machine for, yeah, so you get 3 balls and you throw it into a square or the hole, the diamond hole. Look at that. This game right here is like a Ghostbusters. And yeah. Oh wow. My son found Thomas the train. One more. Ready and go! Whoa, Miguel! Miguel! Look at my boy's big smile. He's riding Thomas the train. Miguel! They even have this giant Ampamon for kids to ride, and this JR Wanpaku line. That's super cool, man. There's even like this circus truck, this Pikachu over here, going a circle. This other Ampamon and a choo-choo train. Ampamon choo-choo train. Mikhail, look, a big Thomas. This is how Ampamon looks inside. That's so cool. They even have another bigger size Thomas train over here. So now Mikael has a bigger train to ride by himself. Mikael! Bigger Thomas train. Here in Cosmo World. This train here is really cool. You can operate it, you know? If you want to be a real train track master, that's what you do. Here. Looks like the JR Yamanote line as well. Pretty cool. The gate even opens up, or the doors. Close the door, close the doors. Oh, wow. Yeah, drive the train, Mikhail. Drive. Stay. Push the buttons. Push the buttons. Push the thing for him over there. Open the door. Open. Damn, Mikhail, you're a train driver. You got the Yamanote line driver over here, Mikhail. Press. All right, my son's beating up some crocodiles or alligators. Watch him go. Ready, get set, go! All right, we bought the tickets for the diving coaster, vanishing coaster. We're gonna walk up this bad boy and take this crazy roller coaster, which I do recommend you try. It's probably gonna be my third time trying this roller coaster here at Cosmo World, and it goes. I'm gonna tell you now, this coaster pretty short, but it goes, man. Good thrill ride. All right, so we're heading up to the diving vanishing coaster here at Cosmo World. As you can see, a lot of people are ready for this vanishing coaster. Whew. You're not allowed to film. Yeah, you can't. I was gonna use the GoPro and try to film it, but you know, we gotta kind of abide by the rules. So we'll try. I'm not sure if I can give you a POV of how this looks. All right. You got the team ready to do this vanishing coaster. Let's do this. Look at that. They put you a whole chest piece too. All right, let's go. There you go. Okay. Woo. Vanishing coaster. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Go ahead and put our bags and cell phones, okay, and hats. Miles, how was it?
Oh my God.
Tenga, how was it? Chin?
Oh, fuck that.
Had a little tear up. That was great. Oh. Alright, so after that roller coaster, we're gonna go ahead and try the Cosmo Clock. Right here. They call it Cosmo Clock 21. Yeah. Alright, so now we're at the Cosmo Clock Ferris wheel. They used to have a tablet here that showed all the stuff, but I guess they took it out. But they used to have like a little TV screen that showed you where you're looking at in the Cosmo Clock. Enjoy these beautiful, cool sights of Minato Mirai evening time. Oh, they're on the lights of the Ferris wheel.
Gabi na kasi. Ito inikutan nyo lahat? Pati itong yellow? Hindi.
Oh.
Yung yellow, ito umiikot eh. Pangit yan yun.
Beautiful sights of Cosmo World, Minato Mirai. You can see the air cart over there. And yeah.
Mas takot ako sa dito kasi sa roller coaster, dahan-dahan to eh. Bakit ayaw? Galing oh.
Look.
Papunta sa mall. Where do you wanna go? It's high oh.
Ako taas, nakalula na rin.
Oh, look oh. Oh. Sige. Sige. We fell down there. Fall down there, ha?
Baba na ba tayo?
No, we're not even on the top.
Hindi oh. Ganda ng city light.
Ibensan ka lang yan.
Kaya. Uy! Ano pa kinukuha mo, Miguel?
Hindi, wag ka muna magulo. Ako rito eh. Pero nung tumingin ako sa likod ko, biglang nawala yung pet ko eh. Puta ka yan.
Asa na yung put mo ngayon?
Parang nakalutang na
Yeah, we're at the top now.
Oo, sa likod na oo.
Yung sa amin na, yan eh. Dagat kasi.
Yung may kalsada eh, no? Mga tamo, sinakatakot dito kasi
Open. Pagpasok nila.
Hindi. Nilagay namin gano'n yan kung saan tumawag pag
Roller coaster na yun pa din ako. Buti nagtanggal ako ng butones bago ko sa mag-tira. Miguel, tumain ka na. Balik pa kaya ako. Try na yan siguro bukas. Muluyot siya ko doon sa ano yung sa Cosmo World to, no?
Yeah.
Kasi pwede mo.
So some of the vending machines here in Japan have cold drinks and hot drinks. Since it's kind of cold right now, we're gonna go ahead and get a hot drink. I'm using all my 10 yen coins, and it costs about 140, I think.
This, we want the...
It's 160. Here, let me get you two more. 50.
Coin pa gusto mo? Hindi na. Ayun nga naman, sa baba. 140. Malaki. Malaki coin, no? And we're gonna get this.
Hot Cocoa by Georgia Cocoa.
sa akin.
Yeah? Yeah, it's pretty hot. Here, Jen, it's pretty hot. Nice. It's really hot?
No, not really. It's just warm.
Oh, so you won't burn your mouth? Georgia hot cocoa.
Sige, I'll get this here. Nasanay na ko sa Miguel.
Whoa! Already recommend that you try this. This is some good stuff. Perfect for the cold weather right now. Wow.
Ay, sorry.
Eh, basta yun.
The escalators. Do not lean over the edge of the escalator or walk on the escalator. 足元にご注意ください。エスカレーターから身を乗り出したり、エスカレーター
Let's got Godiva Cafe. Cool. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed Cosmo World today and also some sights of Yokohama Minato Mirai. My name is Mark, I'll catch you on the next one. Please like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. I am free to always answer every comment I get. My name is Mark, peace, I'm out. Catch you guys next time, next video.